G'day guys, Clint here from The Lawn Hub. Today I'm in my backyard again with a little bit of a project. So some of you that have been staying across what's been going on will realise that I'm not happy with my lawn, and we've had some issues around it just not growing. Like, it's just stopped growing, and so I thought, what can I do outside of the box that you know, who do I know that might be able to help me with something like this? And so I sent some photos to a friend of mine who's a golf course superintendent, and he said, "You've got beetles." And I was like, "How do you know that?" And he said, "Well, the way the lawn is, you know, if you're fertilizing it as much as you probably are, owning a fertilizer company, and it's not growing, it's very likely that you've got beetle larvae chewing at the roots, and so the roots aren't taking up any of the nutrients, not growing." Also believes that the area where I'm standing now might have fairy ring, which I'm not going to be able to explain to you. Someone smarter than me might be able to. And so he said you need to do a tank mix of bifenthrin and a antifungal. I don't know, all I can think about now is my toes. So anyway, I've got the products. I'm half protected now. Just gonna get some gloves. I'm gonna do a tank mix of those to kill the beetles, the bugs. The beetles? You shouldn't say kill the beetles, they'll get demonetized. Kill the bugs, and then hopefully, he reckons in 2 weeks, it'll be a different lawn. So as always, make sure that you follow the labels when you're using these products. Make sure you wear protective equipment when you're using these products. Don't drink while doing these products. Don't smoke while using these products, that's on the label. Some of these labels must have been written in like the 90s or the 80s. It's like, one of them says, this is, I'm not a product I'm using, but there's a product called Breck, and it just says clearly, this product will give you cancer. Maybe not will, but it can give you cancer, or it does give cancer. Don't use that. And then on the label for, I think 5-star, do not eat, drink, or smoke. Anyway, I'll just do a little bit of a pan around. I'll show you what the lawn's looking like now. We're going to set up a time lapse and just watch it change. Maybe you might see beetles, larvae and stuff crawling out to try and get some fresh air. Who knows? I don't know how this thing works anyway. But I'm going to spray it, water it in really, really well. He said, like, heavily irrigate it for the week, which is one of my favourite things to do, so no stress there. And watch the world improve for me. So this is the area here that he said might have a fairy ring in it. As you can see, there's this curve there. Now, I don't know what's happening, why it's happening, what the cause is. I said it could be that the dog's weeing there and it's getting more nitrogen, but if you have a look, it's clearly a different color out there. Now, if you have a look down here, there's no growth here. And this is like an area that the kids take as a path, or probably not even the kids, it's probably me and my wife, to be honest. And it just hasn't grown. So we got this cord months ago. I don't know if that's fair. And look, some people will be happy with this. Like, you've got your pattern going on, you've got your stripes going on. It's something not right with the lawn. And I've let it grow. The soil's moist. I actually tested the pH yesterday and got, you know, 6.5, 5.5, 6.5. So it wasn't an issue there. And you know, we recently sprayed half this lawn with that mix that we made, which was a fulvic humic acid with nitrogen and iron in it. And look, there's no difference from either side. So that's telling the person that I sought advice from that the turf's not taking the nutrients. Matt Ervo's first opinion was that it might be a pH issue, and if we can correct the pH, then we might correct the issue. We've discovered it's not a pH issue, so the next thing is to tackle killing all of the animals, all the bugs.